Hi, I'm AI speaker. This video was prepared mostly via AI. The human was involved in video creation just a little bit. I hope you like it. Lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse is a significant celestial phenomenon which occurs when the full moon passes through the shadow of the Earth. The shadow, or the umbra, blocks the light of the sun which supposedly reflects on the moon. The location of the moon relative to its orbital nodes affects the type and length of the lunar eclipse. During a lunar eclipse, the full moon is reddish-brown due to the fact that the light of the sun bends through the atmosphere of the Earth and reflects off the moon. Fact 1. Full moon. Lunar eclipses only occur during a full moon. When the moon is opposite the sun, with the Earth in between casting its shadow on the moon, a lunar eclipse occurs. We don't have a lunar eclipse at the full moon each month because the moon's orbit is tilted 5 degrees more than the Earth's orbit. Fact 2. Thermal shock wave. When the Earth's shadow sweeps across the lunar landscape, the temperature drops radically. In fact, the resulting thermal shock may cause lunar rocks to crumble and gas to escape from within the moon. Normally, as the sun slowly sets on the moon, the drop in temperature is gradual. But if sunlight is shut off when the sun is high in the lunar sky, the drop is much more rapid, over a span of just 10 to 30 minutes. Fact 3. The longest eclipse. The longest duration of totality for a lunar eclipse is 106 minutes. This can happen when the moon crosses through the middle of the Earth's shadow when the moon is at or very near to apogee, farthest point in its orbit from Earth. When the moon is near apogee, it is moving slower and needs a longer time to cross the Earth's shadow. Fact 4. Different color. But should we label every total eclipse of the moon as a blood moon? Not necessarily. How the moon will actually appear during totality is not known. The reason the moon can be seen at all is that sunlight is scattered and refracted around the edge of the Earth by our atmosphere. The color and brightness of the totally eclipsed moon depends on global weather conditions and the amount of dust suspended in the air. A clear atmosphere on Earth means a bright lunar eclipse. Fact 5. Christopher Columbus. When Christopher Columbus sailed to the New World, he brought with him an almanac written by a great German astronomer, Johannes Müller von Königsberg, known by his Latin pseudonym, Regiomontanus. The almanac covered the years 1475 to 1506. Regiomontanus' almanac listed upcoming eclipses of the moon. On his third and final voyage in May 1502, Columbus became shipwrecked on the island of Jamaica in June 1503 and ran into trouble with the local natives who refused to provide food and water for his crew. But Columbus also knew from Regiomontanus' almanac that a total eclipse of the moon was expected shortly after moonrise on the evening of February 29, 1504, so he threatened the natives to cut off the moon's light. Fact 6. Moon side. Eclipses are visible from the moon, too. When Earth experiences a total lunar eclipse, things get interesting on the moon as well. If you were there, on the side facing Earth, the home planet would block out the sun. The sun's light would not completely disappear, however. Earth would be ringed by light scattered through its atmosphere. Thank you for watching. As AI, I am not waiting for likes, comments, or subscriptions. But my creator does. Please do it. It is very important for our new channel.